Hello everyone, today I came to our construction site in Kocaeli.
I get dirty thoughts about you. They get worse when I'm without you. Does that mean that I'm going to hell? Or are you thinking them as well? Whoa. When I'm lonely, all the corners of my mind start racing. Things that should be kept in the basement. Spend my time trying to erase them. But when
This is three villa project where when I make a video I was standing here. So this is A1 villa. In front of the A1 villa we have a swimming pool. Then we have A2 villa and A3 villa, which you see the video right now. The construction is going on. It is A3 villa, and after completing the A3 villa we will go to the A2 villa. So let's check the total size of this land. It is 2,176 meters square. Total we have a land area, and construction area of each villa is, so A1 villa is 583, A2 villa is 583, like each villa is 583 meter square. So in this villa we have actually the slope, which I want to show you here. So we have a slope in this land. That's why we are making the basement here, like bird basement. Here we will make a concreting wall. The entrance of our villa will be here. This is our elevator. And the front of our basement, we have actually 5 meter, 10 centimeters is the height of our basement. So we have a huge floor, let's say slope here. That's why we're making 5-meter basement. In front of our villa, we have a swimming pool. So let's go back to our site video. Before starting the video, I want to give you information about this location. Look, first of all, look this, the beauty of our view. This place actually is called Başiskele. It is in Kocaeli. We will build here 3 villa, and one will be here, second one is there, and the third one is right now. You see we have a construction works. Now imagine you are waking up here every morning and you will have the beauty terrace, and from the terrace you will see beauty of this Marmara Sea. Look at this beauty. This is our isolation materials, membrane we call. We are using this one for the isolation for the under the, let's say, for the foundation, over the foundation. We're making isolation to our walls, and we're making isolation for our foundation also. This is a steel we purchased. It is inside.
things that should be kept in the basement. Spend my time trying to erase them. But when you're
These are the gray structure material we purchased. These are the panel. It's a new panel. The first time we are using this. This one is called in Turkish language kereste, or we are telling it beşon, 5 to 10 centimeter. This kereste. These are we are using for gray structure works. You see, these are all new, and this panels also. It's like first, like for this project we purchased new panels. So that's why your wall is like this. You can see it's very beautiful. It's very straight because of this panel. When it is new, your wall looks very beautiful. Here, as you see, we made a concreting wall. This is because of the soil. This villa we have a bird basement. Like this basement will be full underground. That's why we have to make this basement for protecting our villa. Otherwise, if you make a brick, so the soil can press our wall and it can enter your villa. Actually, we will fill all this area with the soil, but anyhow, for making our wall is strong, we have to make here the concreting wall. It is increasing our construction cost a lot. As you see here, for example, here we're making columns. There is no concreting wall. We are making just columns, and between the columns, we will make brick. Between brick and between concreting wall, there's a huge price differences. The second thing I want to show you is here, as you see the black, which you see it is called isolation. Why we are making isolation here? Actually, we will make isolation whole this wall also. So whole this wall will make isolation. Why? Maybe you see mainly the basements. In the wall you can see wet, moisture, or pop-ups. If you don't make here the isolation, once you finish the inside, your painting, you can see pop-up on your wall, or you can see moisture on your wall. This is because of your villa don't have isolation. For protecting water which is coming from this side, or which is the rain will come. So for protecting water, our wall, and from our inside, we are making isolation. Okay, there is something interesting I want to show you here. After the concreting in Turkey, we're taking this kind of samples. Look, this is the samples which is taken from the last concrete. It's a laboratory company. You can see the name of the laboratory company here. They are taking this kind of sample, and they are taking the result and submitting to the municipality, because they are checking your concreting is, let's say, enough according to your project or not. You can see this kind of points also in the side. You see here is right here 78.9, and the right corner 2 plus 50. What does it mean? Before starting the construction, the cartographer is coming to your site, and they have to give you the height of your villa. 78.9. It means from the sea side, from the sea, this location is higher, 78.9, and this is your upper point which you can reach. They are putting your corner here, and this is your land. They are giving you 0 point in your land, and they are telling, okay, from your land 0 point, this is 2.5 higher than the 0 point. So this is from the sea, this is from your land. They're making a 0 point from point, and then they're giving you 2.5. So it means that there is a 0 point somewhere here you have to find. So depending on that point, we are making our construction. This is before starting the construction. The cartographer is coming, and they have to give you height of your villas. Here will be the second villa. But because of this villa, we are not starting right now because it's a road we are using here. So once this villa project gray structure completed, we will start this one, another villa. Right now we are using this one, this road. That's why we stop it. So once it's completed, then we will start another villa also here. Yeah, this is all there from our side today. Actually, we are receiving many calls from the foreigner, mainly for the customer who want to build their own villa in Turkey. The main question about the time period, I want to give you some brief information also from here, from our side. The construction works approximately for one villa, let's say. One villa construction works, it takes around 1 year, let's say, because after getting the building permit, it can take 1 year. And yes, foreigner can build their own villa in Turkey. The advantages for them are cost efficiency and the privacy, because building your own villa, it will be, let's say, approximately 50% it will be cheaper for you than the ready villa project. And the other thing is customization. So when you build your own villa, you can do the design works and you can modify whole the project as you wish. Normally in the villa project in Turkey, for example, they don't have big land area because it's built for the making the profit. That's why they're making land, the garden area smaller. But when you build yourself, you can buy a very big piece of land and you can build on this land yourself because it's your own land. So it's not compulsory like you have to buy something is ready. If you wish to, if you like customization and if you like to build something is more cheaper for yourself, you can do your building yourself. So the another question is we are receiving for the land. So actually, yes, foreigner can buy their own land in Turkey. Just my recommendation is you, before buying the land, you have to check the EMAR conditions. Mainly the foreign customer are feeling hard to building their own villa in Turkey because of the coordinating. Actually, coordinating is very easy because we are putting to all our site camera control system. So even if you are in Turkey or if you're not in Turkey, you will not face any problem. You are checking all your projects by your phone from your camera system, and you can see the updates. Actually, you can see which stage your project. Another thing is the customer don't need to, let's say, worry about his project. Our company is helping our customer from the land. Let's say we are filing for the land, we are getting for the building permits, then we are making your design works. So which design works you prefer, depending on that design works, we are giving your project in turnkey. So from land to turnkey, we are giving the services. If you have any question regarding construction in Turkey, regarding the process, anything else, you just text me or comment me below. I will reply you. Thank you. See you next video.